慷慨
generous,
佳佳慷慨地和朋友一起分享自己的糖果。
Freya generously shared her sweets with her friends.
佳佳為人慷慨善良，不但會捐錢給慈善機構，還常常抽出時間做義工，幫助有需要的人。
Freya is very generous and kind. Not only does she donate money to charity organizations, but she also often takes time to volunteer and help those in need.
她在台上發表了一篇慷慨激昂的演講，鼓舞了所有聽眾。
He delivered a passionate and stirring speech on stage that inspired everyone in the audience.
他以慷慨激昂的聲音唱出了對祖國的熱愛。
He sang with a powerful and passionate voice to express his love for his country.